Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. I'm Luke from CL Lighting. Our company is Smart LED lighting manufacturer in China, established 2016. Today, I'm going to introduce our Smart Ambient Light to you. First, ultimate visual experience. Our Smart Ambient Light is designed with over 60 million colors. Enhances your home theater by creating a more impressive entertainment and experiences entertainment in a brand new way. Second, multi-scenes and music sync. Our Smart Ambient Bar Light features 32 built-in preset scenes for evening of romance or marathoning movie with any of the preset scenes. You can also DIY your own scenes with built-in microphone. It can be selected to synchronize with your movie, games, and bring in the ultimate viewing experience. You can also create your own rhythm scenes. Third, wireless smart app. Download Tuya Smart Life app and just connect 2.4 GHz network to create a scheme for the bar light to turn on and off, and set a timer to minimize energy consumption and control it remotely via the app. 4. Two-way installation. Attach the ambient lighting to the back of your TV or personal computer with coming strong adhesive, or use the stands provided for an easy setup or behind the screen. These lights are quick to install and easy to operate. So, if you have any questions, please view our website www.clsmart.com or www.cl-light.com. Thank you very much. See you next time.